Hey guys, we're here. Today we're gonna go over how to download Altium and get the free 2 weeks trial. So if you follow everything that's on this video, you should be able to download Altium and activate your account. So let's go type in Altium on your browser. Let's go Altium. And from here, click on subscription up here, top panel. And click on try now. Register. Go with the standard. We'll go.
Type this information out.
Make sure you use your school account just so you can get that 2 weeks free trial through your CSUF account. And company name, you can just put California State University, UT Fullerton. County, let's go.
Country, excuse me. There we go. CA.
Okay, submit. Now you're all set. Now you should get your activation email to your inbox. So I'll go to Outlook. Sign in. You can use Gmail or you can use Google email, Gmail to sign in. Doesn't really matter. Put in your password. Once you have the activation email from Altium, go ahead and open that and follow the steps. There are 2 steps, so we'll go with step 1 first. This will activate your Altium license. Let's go create your password. Click on next. Success. So this will activate your evaluation period. So now you will have access to Altium for 2 weeks. So go ahead and click on this download installer. And once that's downloaded, go ahead and run it like so. Go next. English, accept the agreement, next. And this is where you will log in with your Altium account. Go ahead and log in. And here you'll click on everything and go ahead and download everything that's on the list. Press on next. Program file, you don't really have to touch that. So next, accept or participate, next, ready to begin. And let it download. It'll take a while. It's a big file. So see you when it's downloaded. Once that's done, click on this Run Altium Designer and go ahead and hit Finish. And this step 2, activating Altium 365 workspace. You don't really have to do that. That's for if you're going live, I believe. So you can leave that out for now. You don't have to do this yet. So I'm not going to do that for this video. And Altium should be running in the background. Oh, allow access. This is important. Okay. Might take some time to load it up for the first time, so be patient. All right, once you have Altium opened up, you'll see this that there's an update available. Press on no. I'll cover that in just a bit. No, again, okay. So this license management page is where you will see your license. So this is homepage license. You can also open that if you go top right, click on your profile and go to licenses. And this page should open up. From here, you see that this license right here is used by you. There's 1 seat. That's for the 2-week trial. So you can see it expires in March 3rd. So you have that covered. There you go. That's perfect. And let's go to extensions and updates. Since your license is only valid for 2 weeks, this is not required, but if you attend our workshop, Brian will be able to give you your license. So in that case, you want to update everything. So go on updates. Right here, click on this download. You can refresh this page first and you have one update. So we'll go ahead and download that. And once that's done downloading, Altium will have you restart Altium, and that'll finish your updates. And this is the end of the video. Thanks.